Some may think it's ashes, paint that is sprinkled on top of these plants, on the grass, on the ground, as well as on the big trees. But let me show you where the white stuff is coming from. They are the cormorant bird. This is the habitat of the cormorant birds in the big eucalyptus trees along the Scott Street on Hartbeespoort Dam. There they live. There is their territory, the cormorant. They stay on these big trees, using them as a hotspot for spotting the fish, their prey from the dam. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I want to welcome every newcomer. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button so that we stay together, you stay tuned, you won't miss any of my unique nature videos. In this video I show you the cormorant birds that live in the large gum trees here at Hartbeespoort Dam. So this is where they live, and they breed right there in these gum trees. If you can see and look, there are some bunch of nests, and you even see some of them are in the nests. Some are busy feeding their chicks. You can see one is landing next to the nest there. There are some of them resting on a small dry branch, and those things that you see like black spots are their nests. They lay their eggs right there. They build their nest with all sorts of sticks, small sticks, and some paper and strings. They gather a lot of things that they mix to build their nests. The cormorant birds, they feed from the fish from the dam. So what they do is they land on top of the trees, and they spot their prey. Then they fly all the way to pick their prey, mainly which is fish, small fish from the dam. There they are. This is where they do all their daily business, right here, as they fly around gathering, hunting throughout the dam. And when they are tired, they come back to these trees. That's why you see there are some white stuff on the ground, which is their poo from their habitats, from those trees. That is not paint or ashes but it's from the birds. Thank you so much for watching. I hope we'll meet in the next video. Those who haven't subscribed, please do so that we stay together and keep on getting our videos. And if this video makes sense to you, please give us some thumbs up. Cheers.